Hi, welcome to Grade 2 Math with Mrs. Farrington. And today we are going to look at two-digit addition. We started to look at addition already, and today we're just going to look at another strategy. So I'm going to start off with an example. We know when we're adding, we're putting things together. So I have these two sets of blocks, and I have them in a nice pattern. So here's what we're going to do. So when we're adding then, so I would say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So on one side, I have 11 blocks. Let's say this is Lene. Lene has 11 blocks. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this here is 15. This belongs to Kalika. So Kalika has 15. And I want to know if I put their blocks together, how much would it be? When we're adding, it means we're putting numbers together and the number will get larger. So I'm writing what we call an addition number sentence. So I have 11, which belongs to Lene, and 15, which belongs to Kalika. So what I would do, 11 is 110 and 1. 15 is 110 and 5 ones. I'm going to draw an imaginary line because it's important that we practice adding from the correct column. So I have the ones place and the tens place. Step 1, I'm going to add in the ones place. 1 plus 5. If I wasn't sure, I will draw one circle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. And then I put those together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. So I have 6 ones. 1 plus 5 ones is 6 ones. Then in my tens place, step 2, I'm going to add the digits in the tens column. Well, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So I have 2 tens. So Lene's 11 plus Kalika's 15 gives us 26. 2 tens, 6 ones. So let's look at the parts now. This entire thing is called an addition number sentence. This is called an addition sentence. And it can be written two ways. We see here. And then it can be written this way. These, the 11 and the 15, are called addends. They're the numbers that we are adding. So they're called addends. And then the 26, what we say is the answer, is called the sum. Or another word for the sum is total. So the total number of blocks or the sum of the blocks is 26. And as I said before, this entire thing is called an addition sentence. So sometimes you'll be asked to write an addition sentence. Okay, now there's another way also that we can use to add two-digit numbers. And that is using you've seen this in place value, base 10 blocks. We have the long ones that are called tens, and then we have the units which are ones. And we're going to see today how we use base 10 blocks, tens and ones, to find the total or sum for numbers. So let's look at this worksheet. Two-digit addition without regrouping. So it says the blocks show 25 plus 63. And 25 is 2 tens, 5 ones, plus 63, 6 tens, 3 ones. So we have 2 tens, 1, 2, 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 tens, 5 ones. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and 1, 2, 3 ones. So 25 is 2 tens and 5 ones. 63 is 6 tens and 3 ones. So now it says how many tens? So we need to know how many tens are there. Between the both, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 tens in all. Okay. And what about the ones? So we'll count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are also 8 ones. So 8 tens and 8 ones, when we put it together, 88. So the addition sentence, 25 plus 63 equals 88. And if we were to write it the way we normally do, 25 plus 63, we will start in the ones place. 5 ones plus 3 ones, 5. We're going to count on 5, 6, 7, 8. Will give us 8. And then we're going to add the digits in the tens place. So we have 2 tens plus 6 tens. So we'll start with the larger number and count on. We go 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 88. So no matter which way we do it, the sum or the total is still the same. 25 plus 63 gives us 88. Okay, so let's move along. Here it says the blocks show 17 plus 52. So 17 equals 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 110, 7 ones is 17. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 2 ones is 52. So how many tens and ones blocks are there in all? Which means I need to add these two sets of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens and ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 ones. So 6 tens, 9 ones. So complete the addition sentence. 17 plus 52 equals 69. 6 tens, 9 ones. I will now check it. So I have 17 plus 52. It's my number sentence, my addition sentence. As usual, we start on the, thank you, from the ones place. 7 ones plus 2 ones. We're going to count on 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. So 7 plus 2 equals 9. 7 ones plus 2 ones equals 9 ones. Then step 2, we are going to add the digits in the tens place. I have 1 10 plus 5 tens. So I have 5 plus 1 equals, very good mental math. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So the sum of 17 and 52 is 69. Excellent. Now let's do this final one. We have the blocks show 40 plus 29. So we have 40, 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, but there are no ones. Then we have 29, 1, 2 tens, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 9 ones. Now, look at this here. Sometimes we get confused and we don't want to write the 0. Remember, the 0 is a placeholder. If you don't write the 0, then you won't have 40. The number will be only 4. I just wanted to make that note. So let's count our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 tens in all. We have no ones here, but we have 9 ones here. So 0 plus 9 equals 9. This is also very important because a lot of times, students, you tend to write 0. 0 may mean nothing, but when you add it to 9, you still have the same amount. If I have 3 pencils and my mommy gave me 0 more pencils, I would still have the 3 pencils I've always had. So it's not 0 plus any number equals 0. Any number added to 0 equals the same number. Just wanted to make sure to remind you of that. So we have 6 tens and 9 ones in all. So 40 plus 29 is 69. And now we're going to check it. 40 plus 29. I've written my addition sentence. And I'm going to begin adding from the ones place. I have 0 ones here, but 9 ones. Remember, I just said any number added to 0 equals the same number. So 0 plus 9 equals 9. Okay, step 2, I'm going to add the digits in the tens place. I have 4 tens plus 2 ones. Somebody use your mental math? Very good. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the total, 40 plus 29, totaled is 69. So we would have just used base 10 blocks and also our regular algorithm to solve addition problems. I hope this helped you. Make sure you practice this and also practice with the worksheets and the activities that are attached to this lesson. Please remember to be safe, stay inside so we can quickly flatten the curve and get back in our classrooms. I will meet up with you until next time. This has been Math with Mrs. Farrington.